Young Living just gave their starter kit a little facelift. So I went ahead and ordered one because I wanted the Desert Mist diffuser. And the price for a starter kit is so incredible compared to buying everything separately. You have to see how pretty this diffuser is. I have it on the candlelight flicker feature right now. It's so pretty. This is the starter kit. It comes in this gorgeous box and you get 11 essential oils. There are 10 up here on the top. There's a little secret compartment down below here, and that's where that 11th bottle of oil is hiding out. You stress away with some sample vials, and you get a sample pack now of Thieves Household Cleaner and Ningxia Red. Lemon. Add a few drops to your water. You can bake with this. You can add this to yogurt. It smells uplifting, and it's great for your liver and your kidneys. Copaiba or Copaiba. This one has an earthy, woodsy smell, and it is known for just helping your overall wellness. When you add this one to other oils, it's known to help amplify the effects of all the other oils too. Digest. This one is for all things digestion. Eat a little bit too many bites of ice cream, Girl Scout cookies, Digest to the rescue. I like to put a drop under my tongue or a drop in a spoonful of honey. Thieves. This is the immune boosting powerhouse. Get you some thieves. We all need thieves because #germs. Peppermint. Oh, how I love peppermint. This is one of my absolute favorites. Add a drop under your tongue to just kind of freshen your breath. Add a drop in your water. It's good for digestion. You can also bake with it. A few drops in some brownies. Delicious. Panaway. How many of you would like to take an eraser to your day? Feeling a little achy, muscle soreness, just overworked and exhausted? Throw like half a cup to a cup of Epsom salts in a hot bath and a few drops of Panaway. Raven is one of the new guys to the family. Raven smells amazing. It is so good for all things respiratory. Put a little bit on your chest. It helps you open your lungs and breathe, and it just smells invigorating. The other new guy to the family is Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is replacing purification. This one has all these delicious citrus scents plus a little hint of spearmint. It's great for stinky things, uplifting. I like to use it in my laundry or to just diffuse it. Frankincense. Oh, how I love frankincense. It's grounding. It's great for meditation, for helping focus, for occasional anxiety and nervousness. It's also really great for those little fine lines and wrinkles. Lavender. When in doubt, grab the lavender. You can diffuse this at nighttime if you need a little help with sleep. You can put like a drop on your big toe or a little bit underneath your pillow. It just is amazing. It's good for all things skin too. I'm so excited that they're now including a sample of the Thieves Household Cleaner. You guys, this stuff replaces every single cleaner. This is all I use to clean my home. Just got to get yourself a little squirt bottle. It's a concentrate. Just add some water, mix it up, and start cleaning. You can ditch all the other stuff. And Ningxia Red. You guys, this is the powerhouse superfood antioxidant drink. My family, my whole family, drinks this every single day. I believe it is such a key component to our health and wellness. And you get me as your personal oily guru to help you learn how to use your oils so that you feel confident and comfortable and you can oil like a boss.